if you want to fly the Vedic aircraft, all these three, listen, the aircraft, the biology, the body, is kept in the right temperature needed for your body by the support of your body only. There is no separate circuit. And that same circuit only generates the energy of accelerating the equipment. And the same energy only moves physically in physical reality. No three separate mechanism to keep the air pressure inside the flight. One separate mechanism is used in aircraft, and to create the pressure, the engine, separate fuel is used, separate energy is generated to push. That is separate circuit. The third, this movement happening is balanced and kept up and low, or increasing or lowering the speed based on what the way we want. The physics, chemistry, biology of aircraft is separate because it is conceived by the brain, which believes intensity and continuity is separate. But Bharadwaja, his brain does not believe intensity and continuity is separate. He knows both are one and the same. So, you use the same hand to keep the temperature and the air pressure of the cabin, and the same hand only as the fuel to move, and the same hand only as the physical manipulation of increasing or lowering the speed or the height or the landing and taking off and everything. If any of you are from the field of this aircrafts, you will understand the whole aircraft is only this three circuit. That's all. After that, this air hostess giving you brandy, beer, whiskey, and that is separate. Now, I am not talking about that. Fundamentally, the aircraft is only this three circuit. These three are not separated in Bharadwaja's circuits, because chemistry and biology of the physics and chemistry of biology, physicality of the chemistry is one and the same. Physicality of biology and chemistry of biology and physics, and alchemy of biology and physics